Murdaugh, Death in the Family is a recent show on Hulu starring Jason Clarke and Patricia Arquette about the Murdaugh legal family in South Carolina, and specifically Alex Murdaugh. And it goes into the crimes and the craziness surrounding that family. And allegedly, in real life, Alex Murdaugh has committed something upwards to $8 to $9, $10 million worth of financial fraud. And this includes defrauding clients and defrauding his law firm, allegedly. And one of the things they show, the TV series rather, is big settlement that he does at the very beginning of the show. And I think it's like $700,000. And what he does is he convinces his client to put the money in a structured settlement. And that in and of itself, there's nothing fraudulent about structured settlements. It's basically, instead of giving the client, life-changing money all at once, you put in a structured settlement that's managed by an independent company, and they pay out the structured settlement over a period of time, perhaps their life. And then if that client passes away, then it could go to their beneficiary. Their beneficiary can be a recipient of the structured settlement. So in and of itself, structured settlements are not bad things. It's a good tool. But what he ends up doing, which is kind of wacky, is there's a legitimate structured settlement company called Forge Consulting, and so he and his co-conspirator at this, I believe it's allegedly at this Palmetto State Bank, set up a fraudulent structured settlement account called Forge. So you could see Forge looks very much like Forge Consulting, and so the client puts the money in what they're thinking is a structured settlement managed by an independent company into this fraudulent Forge, which is controlled by Alex Murdaugh and his co-conspirator at the bank. And it's not clear, and I haven't looked it up, but it's not clear if that client who had that settlement got a single penny from their account. It's not clear if Alex Murdaugh and his co-conspirator completely absconded with that money. Nevertheless, here's the thing: if you suspect your attorney is doing something untoward, perhaps they're committing some kind of misconduct or they're committing financial fraud, and you're concerned about that, there is a tool which you could use in the state of Ohio to investigate these things, and it's called the Office of Disciplinary Counsel under the Supreme Court of Ohio. And you could file a grievance online, and they'll investigate your grievance. I will post the link to that Office of Disciplinary Counsel under this video. But again, if you suspect your attorney or another attorney is committing some kind of fraud or misconduct, by all means file a grievance.